case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Iowa Supreme Court heard a captivating case in 2010, Lewis Electric Company v. Miller. It centered on the legal principle that a contractor substantially performing under a building or construction contract could recover their contract price, less the cost of repair or completion of unfinished work. The high-stakes lawsuit saw Lewis Electric Company, a Sioux City electrical contractor, legally lock horns with Ronald and Kathleen Miller, proprietors of the Tool Depot. The discord stemmed from an alleged breach of contract on Lewis Electric's part. The company had rendered services at the Tool Depot's 2 stores, located in Sioux City and Lamar's. However, the Millers counterclaimed that the work carried out at their Lamar location was subpar, demanding repairs. A district court initially favored Lewis Electric, but an appeal subsequently saw the judgment overturned concerning the disputed Lamar account and the defendant's counterclaim. Meanwhile, the Sioux City account verdict was upheld. In a twist, Lewis Electric appealed the decision, leading to the complex case landing at the Supreme Court of Iowa's doorstep. The court's investigation centered on calculating damages resulting from Lewis Electric's alleged breach of contract, with a keen eye on the contentious work executed at the Lamar's outlet. In the final verdict, the court commanded the district court to award Lewis Electric $4,164.53 plus costs in light of their Sioux City contract claim. However, the judgment was more nuanced concerning their alleged breach of contract. Based on a remaining contract price of $19,200, the court ruled in favor of either Lewis Electric or the Millers, dependent on the ultimate calculation of the damages. The appellate court costs, however, landed squarely on Lewis Electric's shoulders, a clear victory for the Millers in the contentious appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.